Good evening, I'm Neha Sharma with Quickcast 24/7 News. Tonight, Meta doubles down on smart glasses, and Mark Zuckerberg says these could one day replace the smartphone in your pocket. At this week's Meta Connect in San Francisco, Zuckerberg laid out a bold vision: lightweight, AI-powered eyewear that helps you navigate daily life, from translating conversations in real time to identifying items on the go. Meta's Ray-Ban AI glasses, launched with eyewear partner EssilorLuxottica, have already surprised the market. More than 2 million units sold and booming sales that helped lift Meta's recent revenue. Zuckerberg aims for 5 million units by year's end. These glasses don't yet offer full augmented reality displays, but they deliver practical AI features that feel natural, simple, stylish frames that act like helpful assistants. Meta is reportedly preparing new models with built-in displays and gesture wristbands, pricing some at around $800, squarely in iPhone territory. Industry watchers say Meta has a lead, a deep partnership with a global eyewear giant, and software and AI that make the experience compelling. But challenges remain: chips, battery life, and building a full ecosystem of apps. Apple, Google, and Amazon are watching, and the race to mainstream smart glasses is on. For now, Ray-Ban AI glasses have done something important. They created a new product category that feels possible and relevant. Whether they eventually replace smartphones will depend on how fast Meta and others innovate, and whether consumers embrace wearing AI on their faces. That's the latest from Meta Connect. I'm Neha Sharma. For Quickcast 24/7 News, stay informed and subscribe to get the latest news. Good night.